A switch statement is used to execute different blocks of code based on the value of an expression. Case matches the value of the expression, the corresponding code is executed. Default is executed when none of the cases match. Now let's do a Java program that reads a student's name and grade as input. Based on the grade, we have to display an appropriate feedback. The grade ranges are A for 90 to 100, B for 80 to 89, C for 70 to 79, and so on. Here we take two inputs, the name and grade of each student. Now we use the switch statement with the grade variable. For each grade, we write a separate case that prints the name, grade, and feedback. We use break after each case so that once the matching case is executed, the switch statement stops. Finally, we display the student's name, grade, and feedback. That's how we can use the switch statement in Java to handle different cases based on the grade. Thanks for watching.